Hello everybody and welcome back to Sneaker Huddle. I'm your host John Dunlap. In today's video we're going to be talking about a pair of sneakers that is rumored to drop on April the 9th for a retail point of $125. But before we get into that, Nike is having an absolutely crazy deal where they have 25% off a ton of sneakers, and a lot of the sneakers are already on sale and they are an additional 25% off. I will leave the link to that sale down below in the video description and also on our Twitter account at Sneaker Huddle. And without further ado guys, let's get straight into today's video. Jordan Brand has presented the Air Jordan 1 Mid in a multicolor makeup. This Air Jordan 1 Mid is perfect for spring style and is a really good follow-up for the other boldly color blocked Air Jordan 1 Mids such as the Melody and the Blue the Great. These two colorways that resold very well on the secondary market due to their absolutely beautiful designs, and stock was pretty limited. This was part of the holiday 2019 Fearless Ones collection. This beautiful Air Jordan 1 Mid will come equipped with white leather toe boxes and quarter panels that provide a simple starting point for the design. Then the sneaker starts to get pretty exciting, and it does come equipped with a rich purple, blue, red accents that are mixed together with tones of greens, yellows for a very appealing and beautiful design. Now the details for this Air Jordan 1 Mid do not stop for the color blocking. It is set to come equipped with leather, suede, and nubuck. This DIY take on the Air Jordan 1 Mid will come with a super high gloss black Nike swoosh, black laces, and a black outsole. This sneaker will come equipped in women's sizing, so if you are a male and you would like to rock this sneaker, be sure to size up 1.5 in order to have the proper size. Retail has been set at $125 and are scheduled to drop on April the 9th on the Nike Sneakers app, which is subject to possibly be changed. Now, if you really want to get your hands on a pair of these beautiful Air Jordan 1 Mids, I am going to provide every single raffle and every single link to where these are going to be dropping on our Twitter account, which can also be found down below in the video description along with that crazy Nike sale. And without further ado guys, for you resellers out there, we're going to do an estimated resale prediction for these sneakers on StockX. Now here on StockX we have searched women's mid multi, and this picture right here, the one that has no photo, the Jordan 1 Mid SE multicolored W, lowest ask is currently $135 US. Last transaction was for an 8.5 in women for $150. Now keep in mind, for this sneaker retail has been set at $125. Therefore with taxes you're looking at the shoe roughly costing you about 130 bucks. So to sell this sneaker on StockX, you're gonna have to typically sell it for about $150 just to get your money back. Now if we do take a look at the willingness to pay, what are the current high bids on the market, as you can see it is not looking good for this sneaker. If we do take a look at the lowest ask to see if there's perhaps a very big gap in the market between the ask and the high bids, there is not. Most of these are very low ask, because keep in mind you got to sell for roughly $150 just to get your money back. So if you do go for these sneakers and you are a reseller, I would highly recommend to go for sizes 10 through 12, with sizes 10.5, 11, and 11.5 most likely performing the best, because this is a women's size sneaker. So a lot of men like myself, for example, I wear a men's size 10, so I'm gonna have to size up 1.5 in order to rock this sneaker. So I need an 11.5. There are tons of men out there like myself that really want this sneaker, and there will be more demand for the larger sizes. Now when it comes to the smaller sizes here on StockX guys, I do not think that they will be profitable. I think that you could possibly get lucky and maybe make $5, $10, or perhaps maybe $15. That's a very long shot for sizes 10, 10.5, 11, and 11.5, unless perhaps these sell out. And then a lot of people, you know, they're a lot more limited than what people think. If that happens, you know, you could see prices jump right after they do sell out. But based on the current market values guys, these are not looking good for resale. You can always try to buy a 10, a 10.5, 11, 11 and a half, or maybe even a 12, or maybe even a 9 and a half or a 9, and you know, test it out, see how things go. Nike does have free returns within 60 days, so you can always execute that if you would like. So that's all the information for today's video. These are gonna kind of be a risky cop, but they're not too risky because you do have a free exchange policy. Now, if you do want to check out all the profitable sneakers that are dropping this month, I will link that video right here in the top right hand corner and also down below in the video description. Now, if you see a video here that you would like to watch, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you guys there in just a little bit. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that Sneaker Huddle logo. God bless each and every one of you and have a great day.